Hello, my name's Helen Wilson and I'm one of the pharmacists at Bradford Royal Infirmary. This is a short video about insulin prescribing, looking at sliding scale or variable rate and also a long-acting insulin. So we've brought our patient up here and we're going to first of all go to Request and Care Plan and then Add. So if we start typing in insulin, you can see all the different power plans come up here, and the one that we want is here called Insulin Variable Rate Infusion. So just select that. And then the one that we want is the standard regimen for this patient. So if you just scroll down and then select here, and then Orders for Signature and Sign. And then we'll always go back to the drug chart to check that we've prescribed what we intended to and refresh it. And you can see it comes up here. And then this allows the nurses to start the insulin and then adjust the rate according to the blood glucose level as per the protocol. So when patients are on a variable rate infusion, if they usually are on a long-acting, they still need to continue with that. So this patient is usually on Lantus twice a day, so we're going to add that in. So we need to go back to Request and Care Plan and then Add, and again start searching with insulin. And then we need the long-acting power plan. So this brings up all the drugs in that section. So if we just scroll down and find Lantus, here it is. So this patient's on it twice a day. So we're going to select the morning and the nighttime dose. And then Orders for Signature. And then you can see at this point we've got this symbol here which means something needs adding, and we need to add in the units. So if you click here, it brings up this section here to put the units in. This patient's on 10 units in the morning and then 8 units at night. And then you can just go to Sign. And then go back to the drug chart to check that you've prescribed it. And then you can see once the insulin's been added, it also brings up automatically all the PRN drugs for hypoglycemia in case the patient needs them. It's really important when you prescribe insulin that you always search for an insulin power plan and never do it as a free text, because otherwise you don't get these drugs added. And the other thing is, if you need extra fluids for a patient who's on the variable rate, you can prescribe them separately using the fluid power plans.